Opas, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another episode. Today we're going to cook a beautiful little baby snapper straight from Opsaras. Yes, Opsaras is the fishmonger at Preston Market. And this one here is straight from Port Phillip Bay. Nicely caught, probably about 3 or 4 days ago, and nice and fresh. There we go there. We're going to cook it today on the CrossRay BBQ. But hey, which one? No, we're not going to use our big beast. We're going to use the brand new product from CrossRay by Heat Strip, which is the electric version. There it is there. I've heated it up and it's ready to go. The new CrossRay BBQ is a lot smaller than the traditional big beast that you have on gas, but this one here is fired up by electricity. Yes, it uses electricity. It's an electric barbecue from CrossRay by Heat Strip. And it has a couple of features what I want to show you. It has a low and a high just over here, and it also has a timer just over here, which is also another safety benefit feature, because as the timer goes down to 0, it will automatically turn it off. So we'll put that down and we'll keep that warm, and let's start preparing our fish. Our snapper now. You would have seen on many of my other videos that I've used a larger snapper. For this one, for this demonstration, I'm going to use a small one, just as a bit of a mezze, or you can eat on your own, or you and your partner on a weeknight, and cooking it and show you how it is to cook on the brand new CrossRay BBQ by Heat Strip, the electric one. And there it is there, nice and warm, ready to go. You'll remember, especially with the big ones, but with this little small one, we'll put a couple of lines in there just to allow, little cuts I should say, not lines, to allow the meat to cook all the way through. Again, you know Jack the Greek, he keeps it quite simple. Grab our glass salt, straight on top like this, on either side, put a little bit on the inside, and just like that. It doesn't need much more. A little bit of oregano as well, oregano, just on top. And again, let's thank our friends from Aegean Deli at Preston Market for all our Greek imported ingredients. And there we have it. Now put a little bit of olive oil so it doesn't stick on the surface. And all our products, I guess from CrossRay, do all have non-stick surfaces, but I like to add just a little bit of olive oil just on top to give it that extra protection, because the skin is quite delicate on the fish, and I want to make sure that we protect it as well. So we're going to put it on the CrossRay BBQ. We're going to have it on for about 5 minutes on either side, and I am having it on high because we don't want to slowly cook it. We want to cook it quite quickly so it crisps up as well on the outside. So I'm just grabbing the last bit of olive oil there, and I'm going to show you how I put it straight on the CrossRay BBQ, just like that. Opas. There we go. We've got it on there now. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to close the lid for the first couple of minutes, just to keep the temperature in there, and then I'll lift the lid before we turn it over. I'll see you back in around 5 minutes to turn over our beautiful pinky or baby snapper. Bye-bye. It's around 3.5 minutes now, and I did say I'll be back in around 5 to turn it over, but what I want to show you with this CrossRay BBQ and putting a little bit of olive oil and also the non-stick grill, look at that. Look how it's ready. Oh, there we go. I reckon we can even turn it over. There we go. We'll leave it a little bit more, like I said though. It's ready to be turned over, but we'll give it another minute. But you can see how beautiful and versatile the CrossRay BBQ is, and how the non-stick surface doesn't destroy your fish. See you in a couple of 5 minutes. It's time to turn over our beautiful little pinky, or our beautiful baby snapper. There we have there. To give you all my viewers a bit of an indication, it is around 750 grams, my snapper. So it will take around 5 minutes on either side to cook. It won't need more than that, because you don't want to dry it up. It's not a very oily fish, which means it does dry up if you overcook it. So we'll give that 5 more minutes, and we're back in around 10 minutes. Let's have a look at our beautiful snapper. There it is. I've put in a couple of small bits of lemon just on the side. You heard that ring? You heard that bell? That's me turning off the CrossRay BBQ by Heat Strip. So while it's there, let's quickly just plate up our plate with a beautiful snapper like this. Beautiful summer's day. You want to keep it quite fresh and quite easy, just like this. Grab some beautiful mixed lettuce, just like that. We've got plenty of salt and pepper on it. We don't need any more olive oil, so let's put that away as well. Just here, obas, and get this away. And now it's time for magic. It's time to bring over our beautiful snapper. Here we go. Let's have a look and see how it's going. Obas, beautiful. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful snapper. We're going to put it on like this, just on the plate. There we go, look at that. And we'll put this away. We also do have a couple of lemons that we just had here. We'll just dress it up like this. And then we'll squeeze some beautiful lemon just on top. Turn our lid down. Grab a couple of tomatoes, just like this. Beautiful. There we go. That's probably enough, just there. 4 tomatoes. Squeeze some lemon just on top. Put the rest of the lemon away. You won't need any more than that. And there we have it. We have our beautiful snapper cooked on the CrossRay BBQ. Thanks to our friends, our fishmonger, Opsaras at Preston Market, and of course, our friends from CrossRay BBQ for providing the barbecue. And there we have it. We have beautiful 750 gram snapper cooked on the CrossRay BBQ. And of course, on a summer's day like today, you've got to enjoy it with the beautiful mythos. Thanks again for watching. Jack the Greek. Bye-bye.